Welcome back to Flavor Chef Kitchen. Tonight we're doing spinach rice. So I wash my rice thoroughly under the pipe, yeah? Watch out most of the starch. As much starch as you can get out of it, you wash. So them they are the seasoning when me used to use. Now and then me will pick one or two type, but the main season is the tropical spice. That's the all-purpose right there. That's the one we're using in with spinach rice. So with vegetable and mixed veg, 1 cup of mixed veg. We have some onion, thyme and scallion, some coconut milk. That's the main ingredients, the spinach right there. So we have stuff it. As you see in the first part, the same amount of rice I add to that is the same amount of spinach and coconut milk you want to add to it after. So you get that nice fluffy shelly rice. So we are dropping in with coconut milk and then we're gonna blend it up, yeah? So for the seasoning, you guys gonna see a link below the video. You go up and click the link and you'll get whatever order you make 10% discount from it. Your first order, you get me? So support the thing, man. The seasoning natural and straight from Jamaica. No doubt. No doubt at all. So I blend up the spinach. Enough people think of food coloring and using my spinach, but I don't. The more you blend it, that's it. The greener it gets. You get me? So that's the color we want. So now we're gonna saute with veg. So we're throwing some olive oil in the pot. Alright? Then we add with onion and thyme and scallion. And then we're gonna add with garlic and salt. Use some pink salt, but whatever salt you have, you use. Then I add in my all-purpose tropical spice and saute it a little bit. Then I add my rice, mixing that a little bit for about, I would say about a minute or two. And then you add your green liquid to it. That's the spinach and the coconut milk. You have to stir in that, right? Stir in that to get that look. See it? Rice already a change color. Green we say. So anyway, you gotta add your mixed veg to the thing and then you cover it up. Whatever rice you have you can use, whether brown, white, boil, it doesn't matter. It's going to change that color. So yeah, mix in your mixed veg and you cover it. Eat about 15 minutes after it start boil. You cover it up. When the water kind of settle, you turn it down to medium. 15 minutes time, your rice ready to go. Shelly and nice, the way you guys want it. So it's for every 1 cup of rice is 1 cup of water. Yeah? Remember that. So you see the rice done already. 15 minutes time, shelly. It's a one you call shelly belly. Shelly for your belly. Yeah, so we're gonna serve that and make it look right. You get me? So yes, if you guys love that, just link me in the comment section. Let me know and subscribe to the channel. That would be really appreciated by you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Yes, that's it right there. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, this rice is to die for. Can't complain. Look at that. Cutting it and gonna look close up. It's so shelly. How shelly that rice is. That's all you need, guys. Yeah, man. That's it right there. You guys gonna love it. And trust me, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can have this rice. If you love the Caribbean flavor, you guys going to love this. Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget, subscribe for more. Oh, this is This is really good.